Hi, I'm Katie Startzman. I own Native Bagel Company in Nightjar, which is 2 restaurants under one roof in Berea, Kentucky. We started our business back in 2016. I decided I wanted to start a bagel cart at the farmer's market. We did not have the capital to start a restaurant. So we put together a funding plan with our startup costs, and I got a $3,000 loan from my dad. And then we also did a crowdfunding campaign on Kickstarter. So our community helped us build the cart and the commercial kitchen. After the farmer's market season, a year later in 2017, we were able to open a brick and mortar location here in town. And that's when my husband was able to step away from his 9-to-5 job, and we've been running the bagel restaurant together ever since. So that's a little bit about how I got started, and now we're gonna go over a few business terms and concepts that you need to be thinking about when you're working on starting your business. Okay, so the first thing I wanna talk about is financial projections. When we were getting started, I needed to think about not only what our estimated sales would be, but also what our expenses would be. For example, not only are we going to be selling this many number of bagels, but we also need to know this is how much flour I need to buy to produce those bagels. So that will make a more complete picture of what our revenue and what our expenses will be as we're getting started. So financial statements are reports that you create that show your business's financial health. The 3 are a profit and loss statement, otherwise known as an income statement, a balance sheet, and a cash flow statement. These 3 reports together make a clear picture of your business's health. An income statement or profit and loss statement is like a photo album showing the expenses and income that your business has had over a certain period of time. A balance sheet is like a snapshot in time of what you own, which are your assets, and what you owe, your liabilities. So a cash flow statement is like a movie. It's showing how cash is moving in and out of your business over time. A positive cash flow statement means that your business has brought in more money than it's sent out. So that's how we feel about our bagel sandwich. There are 3 main components to the sandwich: bagel, egg, and sausage. Just like we need all of those things to create a delicious bagel sandwich, the 3 financial reports are something that are critical in telling the complete story of your business's financial health. Okay, so the next thing is a break-even point. This is where you are bringing in enough revenue to cover your expenses. You're not making a profit yet, but you're also not losing money. Revenue is all the money you collect as a business. Profit is all the money you have left over after paying all the expenses related to running a business. And this profit is what I get to keep. And profit's important because it allows me to keep doing this for my community and doing what I love.